Hello friends, there you see I have prepped up my cutting board and here I have my Karela which I have chopped and salted, and before it goes into the tadka we will remove the juice. So you know now that we are going to make Karela sabji together. So welcome back to Talk to Vanjali, and this is a special recipe which is from the Desh side of Maharashtra. When I say Desh, it means it is the region over the hills dividing the coastal Maharashtra and into deep Maharashtra. So we will see what is special about it. The special thing is this chutney. Do you see that? Yeah, it's called Karayachi chutney. Karala or safflower seeds are ground with chilies and a little bit of jeera to make this chutney, and so you can either have it with as a side, to change your palate during a thali meal, or else use it to give body to stir fries and even thinner curries. So when you don't use coconut, these kind of chutneys are always useful. So today I am making the Desh style bhaji. So I've put the kadai on the gas and the oil is heating. Meanwhile, let us mash up the garlic. So this kadhi patta I had just fried in that oil, so I'm using the same kadai. And so I'm mashing up the garlic. This mashed garlic gives a nice flavor to the bhaji. So I can see, yeah, the oil is hot. So first we will add the garlic. Nicely giving the aroma. And after the garlic goes in chilies. I have used the 2 chilies, green chilies, which have gone red on my counter. Give this a stir. Let the lasun or garlic redden a bit. It's giving a beautiful aroma. Okay, it's becoming nice and crisp. So add at this point chopped onions. Lower the gas. Give it a stir and let the onions cook for a while. Let it cook. Meanwhile, we are going to remove the excess water and salt from the Karelas. See how it is releasing water. Put it into the onions. See that? This reduces the bit of the juice, reduces the bitterness. there is a little bit loss of nutrients, but Karela is densely nutritious, so a little less bitterness is alright. The Karela had become slightly yellowish because I had left them out. My fridge is full with stock that came in, and so there was no place for these Karelas. So I had left it on the counter. They had become slightly yellowish, but that's all right. I discarded the Karela seeds because they were too ripe. They had hardened. If it was tender Karela seeds, I usually use it in the bhaji. So we have added all the Karela bits into the onions and let them cook on slow. Now after they have cooked almost through, we will salt the bhaji, because this bhaji is going to reduce, and we are also going to use the chutney. So the chutney already has salt and chilies and stuff, so we have to be a little careful with the salt. So cover and cook this. We will put a lid. So putting the lid on the gas, on the kadai, and let it cook. We will allow it to cook for 10-15 minutes. So the Karela has been cooking for about 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. So now I've opened the lid and let us check. It looks nicely cooked. We are going to allow the onion to cook well. So at this point now I'm going to add salt. Since we have salted Karela already earlier and there is going to be salt in the chutney, I'm putting only a small bit of salt in, and we will add the chutney now. So let us add the chutney. I'm taking the packet. This chutney again is available on my store. In lockdown times, I have a few packets, but God knows when I will be able to ship. So I'm adding one teaspoon, one regular spoon, dining spoon, and another heaped teaspoon. So about 2 teaspoons of chutney is enough. Need to give it a stir. I have added lots of onion, about 2 large onions for 250 grams of Karela, because the onions will give the sweetness and will balance out the bitter. So let this cook for another 5-10 minutes with the lid on. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric in the bhaji. Quarter spoon and another quarter spoon, and then give it a stir. Let us check the bhaji again. Okay, looks nicely done. Ideally the Karela should be like this. The translucency of the Karela should be gone and it should be cooked through and through. So this looks done. I'm going to cover and keep it so that whatever translucency is there, that will also go off under the cover lid until we sit down to eat. So that is my Karela bhaji.